In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link SFML in Dev C++. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Linking SFML in Dev C++ involves a few key steps to make sure that your compiler knows where to find the SFML header files and library files. In this video, I'm going to cover this process on a superficial level, so I'm going to give you a fast and speedy rundown on what you have to download and set up. But keep in mind that I'm not going to go too in-depth. So first of all, download SFML for MinGW. So go over to their website and you will find all of the necessary versions here. So you can choose the last stable one or any other one that you prefer. Ideally, like I said, GCC MinGW. Then you extract the contents of that file that you downloaded. So first of all, extract them as needed. And once you have extracted, configure C or Dev C++ projects option. So go into the project options for Dev C++ and find the compiler options. Inside of the compiler options, you will be able to browse through the folders that you have on your computer and add the SFML header files. So .hpp. Find these files and add them using the C++ Directories tab. So going to the compiler option, find Directories, and then you will be able to add the HPP files from SFML. In the library directories, you can do the exact same thing. So you go over to the library options, find library directories, and then you can load in the .a files from SFML. Navigate to the linker tab, and in the linker options, you need to add the SFML libraries. These will be included, and you will have a bunch of common ones. For example, graphics, window, system, audio, network, and main. So once you have all of them loaded, copy the SFML DLLs to your project or executable directory and test it with a simple SFML program. I hope I was able to help you on how to link SFML in Dev C++. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.